Myself Dhiren Kumar Samasingar from Raulkala, Odisha. A few days before, between 10 July to 15 July, Tennis Cricket Association of India organized 4th TCAI official workshop, an online certification course, where I got the opportunity to participate in the workshop and reveal my talent to everyone. During the certification course, I have scored good grade in the exam that were being held by the official, and I was certified national official level 1. From the bottom of my heart, I am thankful to TCAI for conducting such a workshop which gave us a platform to manifest our talent. Last, I am grateful to all the officials and all the staff of TCAI who were involved for the completion of the workshop. Thank you.
Myself, Ashay Vaman Shilmaki from Bhandara City, State, Maharashtra. It was very knowledgeable and well explained workshop. It gives very detailed knowledge and clear concepts about tennis cricket, which will help us for umpiring. For that, I want to thank Mr. Ashish sir and Rintu sir. I am qualified as official national level 1. I am very happy to be part and work with TCAI family. I want to thank Mr. Sinde sir, Meenakshi ma'am, Farkar sir and Prakash Singh sir for giving me this great opportunity. I also want to thank TCAI for conducting such great knowledgeable and helpful workshop. And thank you so much Kanhaiya sir and all TCAI family. Thank you.
Myself, V. Prabhu. I am from Tamil Nadu. Now I joined Tennis Cricket Association of India and also I participated 4th DCA National Workshop and Certificate course. Now I selected National Level 1 referee, and also I give thank you for everyone this wonderful opportunity giving to me. Thank you.
मैं शिवानी गुप्ता उत्तर प्रदेश लखनऊ से हूँ। मुझे 10 to 15 जुलाई मुझे TCAI ने वर्कशॉप कराया था, वो मुझे अटेंड करने का मौका मिला, जिसमें कि TCAI के अंदर जो वर्कशॉप हुई उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला और बहुत कुछ इम्प्रूव करने का मौका मिला। एक सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स था जिसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया। उसके बाद मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया। एग्ज़ाम के बाद मैंने वो लेवल 1 अपना क्लियर किया, उसमें जिसमें नेशनल अंपायर नेशनल ऑफिशियल लेवल 1 मैंने क्लियर किया, तो जिसके लिए मुझे आने का मौका मिला, पार्टिसिपेट किया मैंने। एक मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और मैं इसके लिए अपने TCAI टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया को मैं थैंक्स करती हूँ। ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान।
हाय, मैं अखिलेश कुमार मिश्रा बिहार से। सबसे पहले मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ TCAI को, जिन्होंने मुझे इस पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया। और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मैंने एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई किया एज ए लेवल 1। इस बात की मुझे खुशी है कि पूरे बिहार से मैं पहला कैंडिडेट हूँ जो सेलेक्ट हुआ हूँ। TCAI सब लोग को बहुत धन्यवाद। और मैं उनसे ये आश्वस्त करना चाहूँगा कि मैं उन्हें भविष्य में इसी टाइप का कोई दिक्कत नहीं होने दूँगा। जो भी दिशा निर्देश या जो भी नियम बनाया जाएगा, मैं उससे सबको सही तरीके से पूरा करूँगा। बहुत
मैं प्रदीप, सभी गुरुजनों को प्रणाम। आप लोगों ने जो मिलकर 4th TCAI अंपायरिंग वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया, जो कि बहुत ही सराहनीय एवं शानदार रहा, जिसमें कुछ ही लोग पास हुए, जिसमें एक मैं भी रहा। और इस वर्कशॉप के बाद मैंने एक प्रतियोगिता आयोजन किया जिसमें सारे TCAI के नियम टेनिस क्रिकेट से जुड़े हुए सभी को इसमें फॉलो किया और उसका रिस्पांस भी मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा मिल रहा है।
मोनालिसा गुप्ता, पुणे, महाराष्ट्र। अभी कुछ दिन पहले 10 to 15 जुलाई को 4th टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया का ऑफिशियल वर्कशॉप एंड सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स हुआ है ऑनलाइन, जिसमें मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिला और अपने नॉलेज का सबके सामने दिखाने का प्लेटफॉर्म दिया। इसमें जो हमारे वर्कशॉप के बाद जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ है उसमें अच्छे मार्क्स ला करके मैं नेशनल लेवल 1 में आने का मौका मिला। मैं टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी, जो उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट किया और पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया। थैंक यू टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया।
Hello everyone, it's Harsh this side. Well, I would love to thank TCI for organizing such a wonderful workshop at this time of pandemic. And before the start of the sessions of workshop, I was perplexed at how it gonna be online. But the wonderful sessions that are taken by Senthil sir and all the members of TCI were just phenomenal. I can't express that feeling in words that I am able to serve TCI in future. Thank you TCI for organizing it. Jai Hind.
Hi, I am Rishabh Chandra Kumbar from Balangir, Odisha. It is an overwhelming feeling for me being selected as the national official of TCAI. I heartily thank the senior officials of TCAI for organizing such wonderful work session and examination. I especially thank Kanhaiya Gujjar sir, Rintu Mitra sir, Ashish sir for organizing such sessions and examinations. I will always be with TCAI for the needful of the organization. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai TCAI. Thanks.
I am Mridula Mahajan from Pune, Maharashtra. National cricket player myself and international softball player. I wish to thank the Tennis Cricket Association of India for their excellent organization of the online training and also the online tests and viva conducted by them for all the people all over India to know more about the game. It was done in a very organized and systematic way. The rules were explained beautifully. The training material also was shared with us. So we had enough time to revise everything. 10th to 15th of July, the training went on every day. The trainer was really very good and knowledgeable. My heartfelt gratitude to all the members of the association, and my heart especially reaches Shri Gurjar, Ashish sir and Rintu sir. And I am also thankful to Meenakshi Giri ma'am, who is the secretary of Maharashtra. It was a wonderful experience. I wish all success to the Tennis Cricket Association, and I promise that I will also do my bit to take it ahead from here. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Pratyush Gupta from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I have just attended a TCAI, Tennis Cricket Association of India workshop, where I got the opportunity to be the part of the workshop, and then I got the certificate. I have cleared the exams and I got the level 1 certificate as an umpire, as the official of tennis cricket. So I just like to thank all the members of the TCI for giving me this opportunity to be the part of this wonderful workshop and the certificate course which they have conducted. In that workshop they have organized a very nice workshop, and they have conducted few tests, and after qualifying those exams tests we have reached to the level 1 certification course. I just like to thank once again for the wonderful opportunity which they have provided, and I like to thank all the members of TCI for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I just like to thank once again everyone. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, my name is B. Dinesh Kumar and I am from Tamil Nadu. I have attended TCAI workshop and certification course for umpires from 10 July to 15 July 2020. I take this opportunity to thank all the TCAI officials who have taken much effort to make this program a grand success, starting from Rentu sir, Ashish sir and Arjun sir for their coordination in conducting this program. And a special thanks to Dr. Sendil K. Nathan, the trainer of this program, who has explained in such a way that everybody can easily understand. Conducting online classes, online tests and scrutinizing the participants from that, and conducting Vivas individually is very difficult, and their coordination is excellent. And I want to thank all the TCAI officials again for their tireless effort to make this program happen. Thank you all.
नमस्कार, मैं उर्मिला पूनिया पानीपत हरियाणा से। टेनिस क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा 10 to 15 जुलाई को 4th TCAI ऑफिशियल वर्कशॉप एंड सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स कंडक्ट किया गया, जिसमें ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप एंड टेस्ट हुए। टेस्ट में अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करने के बाद मुझे लेवल 1 में आने का मौका मिला, जिसके लिए मैं TCAI की समस्त टीम को, जिन्होंने यह वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट की, उन सब का दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमें अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का मौका दिया। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
I, Jasbir Singh from Amritsar, feel privileged to take part in the 4th official Tennis Cricket Association of India workshop and certification course conducted from 10 to 15 July 2020, where with God's grace I managed to cross all the hurdles of course and was certified as Level 1 National Official. All this was not possible if the team of TCAI would not have conducted it in a befitting manner. TCAI not only enhanced our knowledge but also changed our way of thinking regarding tennis cricket of India. The hard work put on by entire team is really praiseworthy, and I am excited on being associated with this organization. My heartiest thanks to all the members of TCAI and official. Thank you TCAI. Have a great time ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Chandra Subudhi. I am from Odisha. First of all, I want to thank all the members of the Tennis Cricket Association of India for giving me an opportunity to take part in the 4th official workshop and certification program, and also thank them for selecting me as an official in this federation. During the workshop and training program, I have learned so many things like rules and regulation used in the tennis cricket, learn so many things about this federation. I hope I will give my best in the upcoming time, and finally I want to congratulate all the members who got succeeded in this 4th workshop and certification program. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Shujit Das from Coach Bihar, West Bengal. Tennis Cricket Association of India announced an online official workshop and certification course where I got the opportunity to take part and acquired a lots of information and knowledge regarding tennis cricket. During several screening procedure, I showed my excellency and achieved the goal of Level 1 official of Tennis Cricket Association of India. I really express my heartiest gratitude to all the TCAI family for giving me that opportunity, and especially Kanhaiya sir, Rintu sir, Ashish sir. I have get lots of help from them, and I again express my heartiest thanks to all the TCI members. Thank you all.